go everywhere because you said already you have a girlfriend. So you need to focus on here. Or if nag-live siya, mag-focus ka sa kanya. But that's but that you but she is in school now. Ah, okay. Guys, mag-sleep muna ako. What's name of your girlfriend? But you feel, yes, sir. What's your girlfriend's name? Sis? Ah, Primes. I can. Ah, Cebu. So, Bisaya siya. Ah, okay. We are same. We are same. We are just same. We are same na Bisaya. Oh, but no one asking. But yes, sir, no one really. Gago yun si suplado. But yes, sir, no one asking. I appreciate her beauty. Kahit hindi ko man siya nakita. So you getting jealous? Why? And who you? Mark Suplado, I'm getting jealous daw. Buang ka. Buang basig buang. And from Dubai and she getting jealous for herself.